What is up, Wanderers? We are here for another one-take bag review, and I've got a fun one for you today. It is a larger version of a bag that we have reviewed once on this channel from LowePro. LowePro is a brand that is usually all about cameras, but this is the LowePro URBEX, and it's awesome. Let's dive right in. So you know what we do on this channel, one-take bag reviews. We do a full walkthrough of the entire bag, inside and outside, all the pockets, all the nooks and crannies, 2 things we like about the bag at the end of the review, 2 things we don't like so much about the bag, and an overall recommendation of should you buy this bag. Well, what are we gonna say about this bag? First off, check out the smaller bag if you wanted something a little smaller. It's a 22-liter bag. I reviewed the olive green version of that bag. This is the black version of the 26-liter URBEX. Now you can still get this bag, but you gotta hurry up and act because I don't think they're making them anymore. But you can still buy it online and you can get them pretty cheap. So I think I paid $40 for this bag and it's worth every penny and more. So let's do the exterior walkthrough first. So we've got Molle webbing on the front, 2 strips of Molle, got a reflective logo right here, a little functionality to their logo, a little bit of reflection down here. The bag itself, good form factor. I'd like to say that it sits up very easily. You have to get it just right though. So it's not one of those bags that you can just set down and it will always stay put, although it does have some stand-up factor, which I enjoy. All right. What's on the side of this bag? We're gonna come back to this. I love this. On this side, you've got a drink holder. For me, exterior drink holders are usually my power brick holders. So I've got my power brick in here. On the back of the bag, you've got some very nice straps kind of floating at the top, very comfortable. There is a little kind of phone holder here. I think that's kind of an artifact from the past when phones were a little smaller. You can use it to hold like a transit card or something, so pretty helpful. Then you have a luggage pass-through strap on the back as well. So again, I think I said 26-liter earlier. I think it's 24-liter and the other one's 20, so let me correct myself on that. All right, and then you can see I've strapped some accessories to the outside of the bag like I always do. Flashlight for ease of use, and a couple of carabiners, always good to have, no matter what. So let's dive in to the pockets on this bag. We're gonna get to my favorite pocket last. So up top, we have a panel that zips about halfway down on the bag, and I'll show you the inside of the panel first. You've got a slip pocket, and then an admin section for some pins over here on the side. And then on this side, and you've got a drop pocket, by the way, that goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag. On this side, up top, you've got a really deep slip pocket. I'm using it for my wallet, some extra pins, and it goes all the way down, and the air tag that's always in the backpack that I'm using. Another drop pocket. I've got some masks in that one right now. And then over here, just more admin pockets. Little one, slightly bigger one. I've got a pocket knife in there. It's a good usable admin panel in the front of this bag. Nothing to complain about. Nothing incredibly special. It's got a really nice gray, slightly contrasting interior with some orange detail. Also, a key holder for opening up anything that is 2 inches from your bag. All right, up top, boom, you have felt line sunglass pocket. I always love the felt line sunglass pockets. Got my AirPods, National Park Pass, some glasses in there. Then you've got the main compartment of the bag. I should have mentioned this grab handle is actually very comfortable. The main compartment, again, zips about halfway down the bag. Inside, you've got a high contrast orange section, tablet pocket, knickknacks, cords, and this pocket stops about right here. Okay, there's a false bottom there. That is removable. So if you wanted to use the entire bag for full storage, for change of clothes and all that stuff, this little orange shelf is removable. Why is there an orange shelf? We'll get to that, I promise. And then the last thing is a nice laptop sleeve. Okay, I've got 13-inch Surface Pro or Surface Laptop in there, Surface Laptop 4. And you can see all of these are kind of nicely labeled. In case you don't know where to put your laptop, there's a little laptop thing, there's a little tablet thing, etc. All right, now we get to what makes this bag really unique. This garage. And this bag, which comes with the other bag, and you just pull it right out, and you have a tech bag. So you can keep your tech bag in your big bag all in one place. And it comes with this bag. Nice pocket, very well organized, 2 drop pockets, some stretchy MOLLE panels. It's honestly a really nice tech bag just by itself. And you can unstrap this and strap it to the front of the bag. So you've got this bag on here, and then you free up the whole compartment for the rest of your carry. So mind-blowing. I'm not sure why more bags haven't done this kind of garage style. I think it's really, really inventive. It works really well. Let's talk about 2 things we love about this bag. You know what number 1 is before you even get started. This guy. It's awesome. So it's got a dedicated space to slide in what is an absolute, must-have now in a tech-focused carry, which is all your cords, etc. I'm using mine for my video equipment, so I can grab my video equipment, toss it in the bag, and I can pull this and toss it in another bag, and my video equipment's all organized in the same way no matter what bag I'm in. Love it. Really nice. What else do I love about this bag? Well, I love the colorway. This proves that you don't have to go like all the way on high contrast just to get some contrast to make it easier to use the bag. Really, really enjoy that. Now, I always do 2 things that I don't like so much about the bag. I've got just 2 little tiny quibbles with this bag, okay? So, the first quibble. Look at the inside of this. There's a whole section to put in a zippered pouch right there, and they don't do anything. It's just barren on the inside here. And I know we've already got an admin component here, but a pouch with a little bit of storage right here, I think would have been, really, really nice. And then I think on the front of the bag, you see this curve. I'm not sure we necessarily needed this kind of S-shaped curve form factor. I think I would have liked the bag to go straight up and provide a little bit more storage. So I guess that also I think would have, if it didn't curve in at the bottom, would have made the bag a little bit more stable at the bottom. But the curve itself does allow for when you strap this puppy on the front, it's a little bit less bulky. So overall recommendation, should you buy this bag? Yeah, this is a great bag for a tech-focused carry, and if you can snag it, I put the link in the video description as always. If you can snag this right now, go ahead and do it before it's too late, and you might be able to get it for around $45, and man, it is a great tech-focused bag, and I think you'd really enjoy carrying it. Great brand, and a really unique bag with a lot of usability and utility. So I hope you liked the review. If you did, please like it, and please subscribe. We're going to continue to grow the channel and continue to bring you great and unusual bag reviews. Thank you so much, everybody. We'll see you next time.